the weekly order block, we traded up and through it. Hit the daily bearish order block, we traded up into that. Now look at the bodies of these candles. Weekly order block, daily order block. Look at all that encapsulation and price action. The volume of all that trading, the majority of it's being shown in the candlestick bodies. Yes, it expanded, as we would like to see anyway. We're expecting it to go higher. It went above these levels. We don't expect it to stop dead in its tracks when we're bullish. We really want to see it go to it and through it, because the narrative, the expectation we had, was the dollar should go higher. And notice that all of the sustained price runs was on the buy side delivery. That means candlesticks that are going up. Infrequent were the down close candles. These are daily candlesticks, by the way. But look how it opened here, traded away from it. Opened, rallied up here, and traded down. We expanded through and fell short of the main threshold of the weekly order block. And it's important that you annotate your levels. So we're seeing it dig into these levels, expanding up, reaching, and then finally, once it pierced the mean threshold of the weekly order block at 104.540, then we had a rotation lower. Where did it go back to? That weekly inversion gap, the fair value gap that we anticipated seeing it act as what? Support. Folks, that's narrative. That's not picking both sides of the marketplace. If I'm telling you a specific PD array, that level on that PD array, if it's a range like a fair value gap, it's the high, consequent encroachment, which is the midpoint, and then the low of it. You can find these setups. Once you have the understanding, you can go into any market, any time frame, and murder it. Literally murder it. But you're trying to be too quick to assume that everything that you already know will complement what I'm teaching you. No. What I'm teaching you will make the stuff you tried to be profitable with profitable. What I'm teaching you will make the stuff you tried to be profitable with profitable. If you include the things I'm teaching, how to read price, the draw and liquidity, that's the first lesson. The first lesson I start to drive home in a student's mind is, where's the price trying to gravitate to? Where's it trying to get to? Well, initially I started with the order block, the weekly, then the daily, and the mean threshold of that weekly order block. Does your chart show this? Because you're looking at a live chart right now with me in the live stream. Did it pan out like I showed? Absolutely it did. The same direction I was looking for. Everything I was looking for in terms of the specific levels, I gave you the logic. I talked about it beforehand. It's here now. So it wasn't done with a 1 minute chart. It wasn't traded or worked with in a second chart, sub 1 minute time frame. It wasn't even on an hourly chart. I used weekly charts. It works, folks. You can make this work for you. Where you are at in your life, school, business, job, your relationship causes constraints that you can't do the intraday charts. I get it. But don't think that it's a one-trick pony that only works on a 1 minute chart. There's a lot of 1 minute setups that allow me to teach you that there's no short supply of setups. You will always find setups. But there's going to be times when the market will be, well, look at all this mess in here. I don't like these types of periods. I don't like that. And that's why you see me do what? I took time away. I did road trips. Now looking at the price action in hindsight, now it makes perfect sense to you why I was doing what I was doing, right? But at the time you're thinking, oh, they changed the algorithm. ICT's on the run. No, I'm relaxing because I know that all I need to do is see a shift in market structure. What was that? See this high? It breaks it. What does it leave? Fair value gap. See that?